Hello everyone. My name is A. Sri Kartikeya. I'm from Culinary Academy of India. I'm a student of third year batch B. So this is my prop Zodiac cooking. So here I am setting up my prop, the Zodiac cooking. So my prop consists of the 12 zodiac signs: Aries, Taurus the bull, Gemini the twins, Cancer the crab, Leo the lion, Virgo the virgin, Sagittarius the centaur, Capricorn the goat, Aquarius the pot holder, and Pisces the fish. So my prop basically talks about how your zodiac sign and your personality are linked to a basic kind of food that are related to your personality and the zodiac signs. For example, Aries have an energetic personality about them, and they like spicy and hot food that elevates their energy inside them. Capricorns have a very sweet and sour personality, so they like food that are very sour and sweet at the same time. So each zodiac sign has a different kind of a personality and different kind of a food related to them. Now you must be wondering how I got this idea. So based on a book by Miss Rose Elliott, a very famous British writer, has written a book called Zodiac Cookbook, and this book talks about how your zodiac signs have specific kind of foods that can be related with your personality along with your zodiac signs. So I have inspired so this book has inspired me to go ahead with my prop, and this is how it is. my prop today is Zodiac cooking. My theme talks about how your zodiac sign and your personality can be related to your dish. And these are the 12 zodiac signs present, and my zodiac sign is the Capricorn, which resembles the goat. This is the star alignment of the Capricorn symbol, and each zodiac sign has a different personality, and each zodiac sign has a different kind of food to it also. So my zodiac sign Capricorn's personality, being a sweet and sour personality, talks about the dish, my dish, pineapple roasted chicken with pineapple avocado salsa. So I've taken a whole chicken and I've made a dressing of soya sauce, pineapple juice, brown sugar, ginger, garlic, and I've reduced it till it's become till it turns into a glaze. I've placed the bird on a pineapple stalk and I've glazed it with a silicone brush. Roasted it, and I've put the chicken for roasting at 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Thank you so much.